Most people think an AI is a giant digital brain that knows facts in real time, but it actually doesn't. When you ask a standard AI a question, it just predicts the next best word based on things it read months or even years ago. Think of traditional AI training like a closed book exam. They rely entirely on memorization. When asked a question they haven't memorized, they panic and confidently guess. We call this a hallucination, constructing a very convincing, completely wrong answer. Retraining an AI daily is slow and expensive. By the time it learns today's news, it's outdated. To fix this, we give the student an open book exam. This is RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Instead of relying on memory, we combine AI with a search engine. RAG bridges the gap between what an AI memorized years ago and what is demonstrably true right now. By giving it the ability to look things up, we prevent those confident lies. To see how we actually build and use this, let's look at a different setup. Imagine your AI is a master chef in a modern kitchen. The chef is incredible at cooking, but right now, the prep counters are completely empty. All your company documents and articles are stored in a digital library, often called a vector database. Think of this library as a massive, perfectly organized pantry, where every piece of data is a specific ingredient, stored in a neat little cube. When you ask a question, the first step is retrieval. A lightning-fast sous chef will immediately search that massive pantry and extract the exact ingredients related to your request. Next comes context. Those specific retrieved ingredients and the recipes to use them are brought out of the pantry and placed right on the counter in front of our master chef. Finally, we have generation. The language model looks at those freshly retrieved ingredients and cooks up a customized, tailored answer. By separating the storage of facts from the generation of text, the AI gives you expert, specialized answers without needing to memorize the entire grocery store in advance. Retraining a massive AI model takes months and costs millions of dollars. The world moves far too fast for that. That is exactly why we use RAG instead of just teaching the AI new facts every morning. This makes retrieval essential anytime your data changes frequently, anytime you are dealing with private company information, or anytime when absolute accuracy is required. You have probably used it without realizing. When you ask ChatGPT for today's weather and it pauses to browse the web, you are watching RAG in action. It fetches the forecast, then talks to you about it. In specialized fields, it saves hundreds of hours. Medical and legal assistants use RAG to scan thousands of pages of private case files in seconds, instantly isolating a specific patient history or legal precedent. Customer support bots use it to read constantly updating company manuals, ensuring they give clients instructions based on current rules instead of generic advice scraped from the public internet. Giving an AI the ability to verify its facts makes it a tool capable of handling professional work where accuracy is the priority. Let's put this into a real office scenario. Imagine you ask your company's internal chatbot a detailed question about the brand new 2024 employee refund policy. Without RAG, the AI has never seen that document. It searches its older memory, pulls together internet averages of what a standard refund policy looks like, and gives you wrong information. Now look at this split-screen flowchart showing the exact same scenario using RAG. On the bottom path, the system intercepts your question. It searches the private HR database, retrieves the PDF uploaded just yesterday, and feeds that exact text to the AI. Because the AI is referencing the actual policy, the answer is grounded in the facts from that specific document, rather than general guesses. So what is RAG? It is simply AI paired with a retrieval system. Why use it? Because it ensures accuracy. When do you use it? Anytime your data is dynamic. And how does it work? By searching for the facts first and letting the language model speak second. AI does not actually know everything. It retrieves and then it generates. Knowing that, would you ever trust an AI without real-time data? If this helped you understand how AI really works, please like, share, and subscribe.